Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing data. Copy important files to an external USB or cloud. Next, confirm the drive form factor and interface so you pick the right tools and cables. Run a smart test to get health metrics and then perform a quick surface scan to find bad sectors. This shows you whether the issue is logical or physical. Once you see the results, decide if you proceed with software repairs or prepare for hardware-level steps. You now attempt software repairs while minimizing further damage. Start with CHKDSK or FSCK to repair file system inconsistencies. Include recovery flags like /R or Y so the tool retries and repairs. If bad sectors appear, use a utility that remaps sectors or runs a sector-by-sector scan to isolate damaged areas. Before any destructive action, clone the drive with ddresq so you have a fallback image. Once you finish by verifying the repair, mount the drive or boot from it in a spare system to confirm files and programs behave normally. If everything checks out, reformat and reinstall the OS only after you've copied recovered data off the drive. Make sure to monitor SMART for a few days to catch lingering failures. If the drive still shows mechanical noise, frequent I/O errors, or won't mount, stop and consult a professional data recovery service. Trying more DIY fixes can worsen physical damage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.